Hi, Doily Designs here today to talk about the foundation double crochet, foundation half double crochet, and the foundation single crochet. These are fabulous stitches for beginning your project for their great stretch and great edge, and you will be seeing them in some of Doily Designs patterns. So let's get started. And to do that, we'll start with a slip knot, and you do chain 3 and do a double crochet in the third chain. Now in the post of the double crochet we just made, we're going to do another double crochet. So in those 2 loops, do a double crochet. Really simple and fabulous beginning stitch. The foundation double crochet has been appearing in more of my patterns. It has a great stretch, a great look, and it gives a great edge. So just continue working those double crochets into the post of the last one. And that's the foundation double crochet. To do a foundation half double crochet, we do chain 2, half double crochet in that first chain, and then leave these very loose, and then do it in the post of another half double crochet in the post of that half double crochet. This one is a little trickier, so you yarn over and you go into that post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. When I say trickier, I don't actually mean to do the stitch, I mean to keep the tension even throughout so that it looks nice when you're done. That is the trick to this half double crochet foundation half double crochet, and it's the trick to most crochet. So this is what your foundation half double crochet looks like, and again it has a lot of good stretch, looks nice, and it gives great edge on both sides. So say you're doing a bracelet or something, this is a great stitch. And also there's the single crochet foundation foundation single crochet. So to do that one, we'll do chain 2 and a single crochet in that first chain, and a single crochet in the post of around those 2 that we just made. Run in the 2 posts, and we're just doing single crochet in the last single crochet that we just made. Fabulous. And again, this one has a keep your tension, and it has that great bounce to it and stretch, and it looks great on both sides, and it's just a great stitch. And to do your next row in any of these, you just turn and start working. Okay, I might want to chain on this one, and you just work into the top of that row. Well, it depends on the pattern. Follow the pattern you're doing. You can get different looks. Different patterns will call for different things. But that was our single foundation single crochet. My dyslexia. Okay. Thank you for checking out the video. Find more on my channel. Like and subscribe. Best wishes and happy crocheting.